Nitish Kumar now has been chosen as the head of the legislative body of the NDA. That means he is going to remain as the Chief Minister of Bihar. But what about his deputy? What about his cabinet? Well, all of that still under question at this time. What you see on your screens right now is the convoy, which is coming now out of the Nitish Kumar residence. And all right, we're told he has now reached the Raj Bhavan, where he will be staking claim to form a government in front of the governor. Those pictures that you see on your screens right now are of Nitish Kumar making his way. That's the man of the moment on your screen right now, making his way to meet the governor, as he's all set to take oath yet another time as the Chief Minister of Bihar. Manish Kumar now joins us for more on this. Manish, what's happening with the remaining positions? We were talking earlier and you said that the Speaker's position is what BJP's got its eyes on. And what about the cabinet? Is that still being decided, or the meeting ended quite quickly? So what exactly happened there?
Sunil, first I would like to show you the shots. You can see Nitish Kumar has gone inside the Raj Bhavan. He has gone to stake the claim, and then they are going to decide the date of swearing in and the timing, most probably which is going to be tomorrow. Now the thing is that as far as kind of suspense over that, for the simple reason that BJP has chosen Mr. Tarkeshwar Prasad as the leader of BJP legislative party, but it is not yet known who is the leader of BJP joint legislative party, which is called Vidhan Mandal Dal, because so far Sushil Modi used to be the leader of Vidhan Mandal Dal since 2005, and on the basis of that he used to be the deputy CM. There is a speculation that he might be sent to Raj Sabha, but this is all speculation, no confirmation, because there is a vacancy following the death of former Union Minister Ram Vilas Paswan, and BJP, in case they are toying with the idea of replacing him with somebody, then they might take him to Delhi through first he will be given a nomination in Raj Sabha, and then he might be inducted into the Union Cabinet. As far as cabinet formation is concerned, of course, those things are have been discussed in detail between Nitish Kumar and Rajnath Singh before this NDA legislative party meeting took place, and it seems now that the JDU claim over the post of a speaker seems to be quite solid and convincing, because at a time when BJP did not have the numbers in Bihar Legislative Council, the post of chairman was given to their member. So on the basis of that, JDU might ask that they should be allowed to retain that post, because we gave you the post of chairmanship on the basis that we had the speaker from Janata Dal United in Bihar Assembly. So that is something which is being negotiated and discussed, and it will be clear only by late evening today, because the post of speaker comes much later, because right now it is about the cabinet formation. Sunil, in that cabinet formation also, now everyone is just trying to find out what formula is applied. There was an old formula where on the basis of your numbers in the house you used to get the representation, and that is how JDU always had the more cabinet ministers. But on the basis of that formula, this time BJP will have more numbers, more members in the Nitish Kumar's cabinet, because Nitish Kumar will remain the chief minister. Sonal.
Right. Fascinating details. Two questions really at this point, Manish. One, you are saying that Sushil Modi has not been chosen the leader. That means it leaves the place open for somebody else to take that position. And second, what about Chirag Paswan? We've been listening to a lot of murmurs about, in fact, he's the one responsible for JDU coming down to these numbers. Any word on what might happen to him?
See, that is not something going to be, that was not the agenda in today's NDA legislative party meeting. That is something which everyone knows, that decision only Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah can take, and party President JP Nadda can announce or convey. That is something even Nitish Kumar has already made it clear कि BJP के लोगों को देखना है. Sonal.